Hi guys, so I've been asked why I bought a van when I knew it had problems. Essentially, I've been looking for a van for a while and I wanted a blank canvas so I could do my own work to it. This one was a blank canvas and it's got some nice additions. It came in direct as a part exchange, so what that effectively means is rather than it going through the prep, repair, make better essentially for onward transmission of the sale by the garage, I told them no, I want it in that state. I didn't want them spending any money on it and rectifying it. I wanted to do it all myself. So normally the garage would do all that work and then sell it on, so any previous problems which any vehicle has you'd never know about because the garage has done it. So essentially the van was mechanically sound other than the suspension, which I did know about as far as the front was concerned. I didn't want to be doing any body work, so the fact that this one had the Sportline kit, the roof bars, the side bars and the tow bar, which I really did want, it was kind of perfect. I only wanted 18-inch alloy wheels anyway, because although they don't look as good as the 20-inch alloys, they are much more practical for the Devon and Cornwall beach roads, which I'll be essentially going on quite a lot. They are far better. So, plans. Well, firstly, I'm going to be doing a 4-stage sound deadening, insulation and carpeting. So I've already chosen all the products. I've actually got the products and I've started the process. So videos coming soon on that as to why I've chosen particular products, which I've chosen, which products I'll be using in. Again, blank canvas as far as this is concerned, because you do get a lot of vans which have this, but they don't do the roof, they don't do the floors, they don't do the full 4 stages. And I wanted to make sure that it was done properly, you know, the full cab floor, tailgate, etc. So I'm doing all that myself. Secondly, a new electrical system. So whilst the van is stripped and I need to be putting in the cables before recarpeting it, and I bought all the equipment for the electricals and I'm going to be starting to install that shortly. Video coming soon again on that as to what parts I've got, why I've got the parts, which battery I've got, which I've gone for, AGM, gel, lithium. I shall show you soon, video coming soon on that. So I like the electrics, so yeah, I like them to be smart, and these are smart, so that might have given you a clue. Thirdly was the head unit. The head unit is just a basic VW low spec one, no sat nav. So spoke to some suppliers to find out what I should go for, whether I should keep OEM or go aftermarket, and I've decided that I am going aftermarket. Reasons will be coming up soon. Also, the current setup only includes front speakers, so there's going to be a massive upgrade as far as that's concerned, with new front speakers, new rear speakers, well, addition of rear speakers and a sub to give it that bit more good sound quality. Entertainment system is also going to be included in that, so on long journeys, TVs, DVDs, games can be played. So there's going to be an installation of a PlayStation, so you can be putting Sky Sports on there to watch football and things like that, because we do quite a few longer journeys, so that will be ideal. Another essential upgrade, essential addition, which everybody, and I mean everybody who drives a vehicle, a van, a car, whatever it is, you need a dash cam. Video coming soon on that as to why you should have a dash cam. It doesn't have to be bells and whistles, it doesn't have to be Wi-Fi connected, etc, etc, but just the basic dash cam everybody should have. I'll tell you why you should have one, and it can actually save you money. So again, another video coming soon. The big problem which I've got is I don't know what I'm doing with the interior at the back. I don't know what I'm doing with the seating. As far as the seating is concerned, I did want seats on sliders, but that is just mega money. So at the moment I don't know the layout. I tried speaking to a few converters, but at the moment converters are absolutely manic. They've got work coming out of their ears. Some of them are not even taking on orders because they are just so busy. Everybody wants to be doing works to the vans. And also there's additional problems with parts are not available and things like that, because obviously issues with shipping containers and Brexit and all the other issues which we've got going on at the moment. So interior is a big issue for me. I don't know what I'm doing, something which I am looking into. I may well actually be making my own furniture once I can come up with a design. So lots more to come. So if you do want to see what I'm up to, what I'm going to be doing, the decisions I've made, why I've made the purchases I've made, please subscribe and I shall see you soon. Take care.